As baby boomers reach retirement, the staggering costs of long-term care are bringing it to the forefront of our national media's attention. The Wall Street Journal, Parade Magazine, Kiplinger Report, Newsweek, and many others are encouraging Americans to plan ahead for their own long-term care, recommending by name LTC Financial Partners. Join me as we talk with Rhonda Guilin, one of California's leading long-term care insurance specialists. Rhonda, isn't it true that among the greatest problems that Americans face today regarding their long-term care are the misconceptions that keep them from planning properly?
Many people think that their health insurance covers long-term care costs, but it seldom does. They believe that disability insurance is the same as long-term care insurance, which is not true. Still, others plan to have Medicare or Medicaid pay for their long-term care costs. But in reality, Medicare covers very little long-term care costs, and Medicaid only covers the costs after an individual has exhausted most of the assets they have acquired over a lifetime.
Isn't the misconception that long-term care insurance is nursing home insurance just as dangerous?
The fact is that 82% of people who need long-term care are at home or in assisted living facilities. The costs of long-term care can be staggering. For instance, the annual cost of long-term care in a nursing home or in your own home averages $77,000 annually. Right here in California, our average is $72,000 annually. If recent trends continue, by 2021, the cost will be $175,000.
Is the government taking any responsibility for the costs of our long-term care?
The government has made it quite clear that we are responsible for the costs of our own long-term care. There are no government programs on the horizon to pay for these costs. Poor planning is the greatest danger that Americans face. With a little education and help from a specialist, proper planning is not complicated. There are a variety of plans offered by top insurers that can meet almost anyone's needs. You can have the security of knowing that funds for care will be available without bankrupting your retirement portfolio or burdening your children and loved ones. Long-term care insurance can be a blessing for millions who want to live longer, healthier lives, free from undue worry.
So is long-term care insurance for everyone?
Not everybody needs long-term care insurance, but everybody should have a long-term care health plan. As a partner in the nation's most experienced long-term care insurance brokerage, I supply people like you every day with independent, objective information on long-term care insurance. Because I am not bound to any one company, I can help you select among several top-rated companies to find the best solution for your situation. Protect your assets and your family's well-being today by calling me, Rhonda Guilin, your state-certified long-term care expert.
You may also request a free copy of the book, Dignity for Life: 5 Things You Should Know Before Buying Long-Term Care Insurance. Co-authored by Rhonda Guilin, Dignity for Life will help you as you plan for your own long-term care. Available on Amazon.com for $8.95. You can get your own copy free by calling Rhonda today or requesting it online at ltcgal.com.